Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can report a player in Roblox in 2026. So let us guide you through this. So guys, here on PC or laptop, log into your account on Roblox. And what you want to do is navigate to the search bar here at the top and look for the given user. You may also see the user here in the suggested list. So let me do that, but you can also enter the username of the player here and then click into the given player profile, and then on the profile click into these three dots here, and instead of blocking, select report. Now I'm not going to block or report that user because there's no reason for that, but if you like to do that for someone in your Roblox account, you may use, for example, that form here. Select the subject, so why you want the given user to be blocked, and then what you want to do next is describe the given behavior here in the comment section, why you wish the given user to be reported, and then guys click into submit. Then your request or your report will be sent to Roblox. They will then review the given request and decide upon it to either block the given user or not. And that's basically it guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.